Hi guys, this is IMOU 4C Bullet. Uh, I had a problem with the lens. The water came inside the camera, and I will show you how to clean up your camera lens by opening and dismantling the camera. You need a screwdriver like this. Put it over here. There is a hole, and then just push it and it will open. Then you need a star screwdriver. Put it here. There are 4 screws that you have to open. Now push it out. Then you can see there are 2 screws. One screw is over here and the other screw is over there. These are 2 separate sizes screws, one for the camera and one for this unit. Don't touch anything else. Now just pull this one out and you will see there is the camera lens and there is a foam. You can check and squeeze if there is any water, and then you just put it over there just like this, and then back in the casing you can clean the lens over here. Then you have the pins in the cross sections, these 2 pins. Just put the camera back in the position very carefully so you don't damage it, and the best way is to do like this. Now we are back again. Click. Screws over here. The other screw is over here. Don't over tight it. Then you should remember that this is the infrared. This has to come in the front, in the this side. So you have to move the camera like this. Remember, there should not be any wires between these 2. So you can see also there are pins like this, and there is a hole, and this is the screw. So you need to gently push in this one, and then you can see it is right on the place. So remember, screw back in crosswise, otherwise the other side will open if you like this. So you need to put the screws in cross section. this. It's a 5-minute job, but it is very irritating when the rain is coming and inside your camera, and it's a blurry vision and you cannot see. So this is the way that you can clean it. It is not available anywhere. Even you search on IMU's camera website and search for the rain, and there is nothing they have to help their customers. I have contacted them. Then you just push it. This sign and this cut, this needs to be here, and then you just pull it. Here you go. You have cleaned. Thank you very much.